Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel, period. I'm bringing you a wig install video today, brought to you by Charmanty. They sent me over a 24-inch 13x4 frontal unit. These are the goodies they sent with me. The care instructions are in the inside of the box. I thought that was really nice, and here is the wig. She is a straight unit, 150 density, 24 inches. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it comes baby hairs. The lace is invisible lace. And yeah, these knots are super small. This is the inside of the wig. It comes with the combs, the straps, the bra strap ties, and the back to tighten her up. And yes, let's go ahead and get into this. These are the knots. They're super small. They aren't bleached. I did bleach mine, but you do not have to because the knots are super small. This is what the wig looks like after I bleached her and washed her. That hairline is flawless, impeccable. So now let's get into this install. I'm going to show you guys how I install my human hair 13x4, 13x6, so whatever units, lace frontal units. I just keep my hair straight nowadays because it's less of a hassle. So no curly, no braids. I don't feel like it. I'm going to use this HD wig cap. These are really good for... please watch your eye. Don't follow me. Please watch your eye when you cut those little holes. But the HD wig caps are great for installs because you won't see that. It's less revealing under your wig, especially when you have high quality lace like HD lace and invisible lace. I'm gonna go ahead and secure down the wig cap with this ebony gel, like lace gel. This is similar to the liquid gold by Bold Hold. Of course, this one is cheaper. This adds extra protection so that the glue does not get on my hairline or my skin, okay? Because some people can be allergic, you never know. Once you let that dry, you're going to go ahead and cut her off. Again, please be careful with the scissors. It seems like I'm going fast, but I just have the film and fast forward so the video won't be too long. But yeah, you just want to cut as close to where the glue dried as possible. And then once we cut that wig cap, the wig cap excess off, you're going to go ahead and add your foundation to tint it. Because unless you get an HD wig cap, that's your complexion. I've only seen them in this like nude complexion though. But I just go ahead and add my foundation. And yeah, see how that disappears? It just disappears. I still believe in the wig caps because it's protection. If you don't, that's up to you, boo. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the lace off the back. Don't forget to cut that off. I did not remember one time when I was walking around with that itchy lace on my back of my neck. So annoying. So now we're going to customize the hairline to your hairline, to your circumference. This wig is it's a medium average cap size. My head is smaller, so I do have to cut the lace on the side so it can fit behind my ears. And this is how I do it. I just measure really carefully and just cut around my ear. I just cut off the extra lace along with some of the hair. Yes, you're going to cut some of the hair. That's totally fine. And you're just going to repeat that on both sides. While you're watching me do that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will post reels and photos of me wearing the wig. So yeah, after you get that cut off and measured, just measure it again. Don't forget to measure it again. You might have some extra hair. You just want this install to be as flawless as possible. And if your hairline, if your sideburns don't come down that long, obviously cut it off, okay? And we're going to do that on both sides. So once you get that measured and cut, this is how I install. Some people like to install the glue with the lace still on there. I do not. So I cut the excess lace off. I get maybe like a ½ centimeter from the actual hairline, because we are going to use this wig again, okay? We're not going to just install once and throw her away. We don't do that, although this wig is very much affordable. Stay tuned for the end so you can see how much this wig with this 24 inches costs. It's very affordable and you'll be surprised, okay? So see, we got it cut. It looks like the hairline. I'm going to add some more foundation just because I want to see exactly where the hairline melts, or where the lace melts into my hairline in front of the wig cap that we just applied. And I'm lifting it up, down, back and forth, just because I'm trying to memorize exactly where I need to leave the glue. I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm used to just using my eyeballing the measurements. But for those, you can use like an eyebrow pencil to mark where the lace stops. I'm going to take this Ebin skin protectant and wipe around the hairline where I'm going to apply the wig. This may seem like an Ebin like sponsorship, but it's really not. I just love their products, and they have the same products as the expensive brands, but for cheaper. You can find them at your local beauty supply store. You definitely want to do this because it protects your skin and it gets rid of any bacteria or anything before applying your glue. I'm using Bold Hold. This is my favorite wig glue. You want to space the dots really far apart and then smooth the glue in to your skin, a very thin layer. You just want to create a thin layer. You don't want it to be globs because it won't clear and it'll look a mess under your lace. Okay, so make sure the layers are very, very, very thin. And I do this twice this time. I usually do it 3 times if I'm going to leave it on for a while, but I have more reviews to do. After that glue dries, you're going to go ahead and lay the lace into that glue. You're going to measure it where it's supposed to go. Be super careful, guys, because you don't want to get the glue too far behind the lace or too in front, because that could be a mess, especially in the front. After I lay it down where it's supposed to be, I press it down with my rat tail comb, just pressing the lace into the glue, making sure it stays, okay? After I do that, you see that there are some spots where there's extra lace. If you have enough room to cut the lace off. If you don't and it's lifting, just add some more glue. I think I had to do that on the other side, but I didn't show that part because I noticed it too late. But once you get your lace firmly pressed in the glue, you want to go ahead and grab a lace melting band. I have several from different brands, so you're going to see the brand name on my lace band, but you want to go ahead and tie that down for at least 15 to 30 minutes so it can set, so that lace really just bonds with the glue. Then we're going to go in with the Ebin lace melting spray. You see how it just melts the lace into the skin? That's what we want, and that's what this product gives. Awesome products. And I did tie that down. I didn't show you, but I tied that down for another 15 minutes. And I'm just going to hot comb, get those humps and bumps out of the wig, because we are going to do a middle part bust down. Love some middle part bust downs, okay? But check out that hairline. Oh my gosh, guys. Check out the freaking hairline. I did not pluck this wig. I did not touch the wig with any of my tweezers. She's flawless and she's beautiful. I'm really glad that I bleached the knots, but I didn't have to. But I feel like bleaching the knots gives it that extra, like, realistic look. After I get that hairline pressed out and the top pressed down, I'm going to go ahead and create the baby hairs. I'm not going to show y'all too much detail because this video is not about baby hairs. It's about laying your wigs, and we laid her already, okay? We've laid the glue into the wig, okay, the lace. But this is just a portion. I didn't show y'all how I lay the baby hairs, make them curly. If you want to see that, head over to my TikTok channel, and I do show you a tutorial on how I do the baby hairs. This is the final outcome. Really enjoying it. I pressed her out off camera. She's really beautiful and long. Stay tuned for my final thoughts. Hi guys, I'm back and this is the finished results of this install. This wig is so natural. I will just go over the specs again. She does have transparent lace. She's a 13x4. I got the 24-inch, which I'm 5'2". She comes down pretty long on my hair. I mean on me, because I'm only 5'2", so it comes down to like my lower back. I was so impressed by the quality of the hairline when it came. I did bleach the knots. That's just, but it didn't need it. The knots were so small. They're single strand knots. If you don't know how to bleach, this is very beginner friendly because you do not have to bleach it. You're not going to see the knots. It's not going to look like a little screen door gate on your head. I did not pluck this wig at all. Now, y'all know I will pluck the heck out of a wig. I did not pluck her. I just pulled out my baby hairs, and that's it. It does come with baby hairs, but you know I like mine a certain way. But it already comes with baby hairs. And this is how the lace lays. You can barely see it at all. Like, this is transparent lace. And I love that she's a 13 by 6, so you can part her anywhere. You can part her on the side. I'm trying to see here. Yeah, you can part her on the side. You can part her on the side. Of course, I went for a middle part. She's, the hair type that I got is just straight. So I straightened her out. I don't know if it can, well, it can hold a curl because I did curl it on my baby hairs. She's super soft, super manageable, barely tangle. I actually applied this last night. I woke up this morning and I just ran my fingers through it, no tangles. And you know how it is when you be sleeping. I wore a bonnet, but I'm a wild sleeper. Plus, I have my son. But I got the 24-inch, so a 24-inch was only $133. You tell me a wig this good for so cheap. Like, please tell me. Which wig is there that's so cheap like that? You can't beat that deal. Plus, they offer Klarna. The Klarna payments are going to be small because you're only doing $133. You do it by 4. Everybody can get Klarna nowadays. So go ahead and check that out. You could do a payment plan. Pay every 2 weeks until it's paid off. And you do 4 payments. So it's paid off after a month. This wig, y'all got to get into it, okay? So Charmanty is offering a giveaway if you join their Facebook group. I'll link it down in the description box. After 100 people, they get 100 new members, they will host a giveaway. I will also ask them for a discount code. I will put it in the description box below. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. I'll post more videos showing the wig or more reels and more photos, I meant. And I also own my own beauty brand, 1111 Beauty. I will be on my website. I sell 100% make lash strips and also resell wigs. So wigs that I have reviewed, I will sell them at a discounted price. So go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload new content. Thanks for watching. Bye.